What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy DGO coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at my first pair of Nike Sacai times Undercover and LDWaffles. Like I said, this is my first pair. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. So this is, like I said, my first pair. Super interesting. Yellow colorway. And this is like the first time I've hit off sneakers for a long time. So let's see what it's like. It's shipped this in a super huge box. Super huge. So here they are. Kind of hard to get out. I had to cover up my address. Here we go. Here's a box. Messed up the sticker a little bit. There we go. It's crazy. This is a triple collab. If you guys watch the channel, you guys know I have a couple pieces from Undercover. So I am a fan. I don't know why I've never purchased a pair of these. I don't know, I guess never really had the interest. And so they come like individually wrapped. It's kind of weird. And there's the first one. Let me get the second one out for you too. Definitely a super interesting shoe. Seems like I only hit on Undercover shoes on Nike. I don't think this is going for above retail by too much. I got this in a 13. Like I said, I never had a pair, so I don't really know how they fit. Here's the bottoms. The dual laces are kind of interesting to me. It came with a lot. They have like these really skinny laces right here. And they have like these super fat ones. Which is, oh wait, looks like there's only one in here. Let me check that out. Definitely have two, but these are like really weird. I don't know if I would personally wear these, but came with them. Put those back, kind of get more into the shoe so I can show you guys the details. So they come with the black and yellow laces in, and then like a dual lace. It's like super cool. They also have like a dual tongue. It's definitely cool to see all the different uses of all the different materials, how they have suede, you have leather, like from Yale, leather right here. Definitely a pretty thick midsole, so you're gonna have a little height to you. You see that it has Nike and like Sacai and Undercover right here on the edge. And on the inside, you also have a double swoosh. I guess on the back, you can look at it and you see the Nike Sacai. And it looks like actually on the tongue right here for the tag on this one, it has Undercover, and then the other one just has normal Nike sportswear. It has Nike Sacai on the insole as well. And overall, this is actually a pretty cool shoe. I like the leather right here on the toe box. It's super nice, and you have like suede material. It's definitely cool to see all the different uses of all the different materials, how they have suede, you have leather, like from Yale, leather right here. Then you have a really soft material on the inside, and then like the double swoosh, there's a leather swoosh right here, and then there's a suede swoosh, and you have suede back here. And of course, like the mesh. Super interesting shoe. It was definitely nice to not get an L on sneakers. 170 bucks. I think these are worth it. I don't know how much I would personally wear them. I don't even know if I'm personally gonna keep them. I may just throw like a retail hoop. So we're gonna see what's going on. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of these. Did you guys cop? I know there's 3 colors that came out. Definitely $170. I think you can't go wrong with these. And I think they're going a little bit above retail, maybe about $200. So they're not something that's super hyped or super crazy. I think the materials are super dope, like I've said. And I think that it's just a unique and cool shoe. Black and yellow, definitely interesting. And I like the hints of gray. So like I said, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.